Hi everyone. Going to finish planting out the last garden bed today. I need some compost. I have some compost left from my winter compost run. If you've not seen the compost sifter video, I'll leave a link down below for it. It works fantastic. Try not to drop it on the ground. And that just works perfect to keep the larger pieces out of my sifted compost. Put that right in my bin. See what temperature we have today. I'll show you guys that. So hi girls. We have right at 120 degrees. You can see I already have some beans that have finally come up, but I didn't put compost down yet before I planted those. Just like my other videos, shovel the compost in, and then I'm gonna level it out by hand. As easy as that. I hope that the lights that are hanging down are not in the way too bad. That's another project I have to finish. I seem to have 4 or 5 going all the time. So we're going to plant today some Olympus peppers. Let me see if I can find some good ones here. So we're going to do 3 Olympus peppers in front of the beans. I am going to do only 2 zucchini in front of that. And I will plant some marigolds in front of the zucchini. Just going to do one here, one in the middle. Maybe I'll move it over a little bit. One in the here, one in the middle, one on the side. Put a little bit of water in the hole this time. Dry in there. I am a little late. These already have some flowers on them, and that's okay with me. I know that you could, or there's a school of thought that you should pluck those off to let it grow up more. Heck, let's do it, and we'll see how that. We'll do one by plucking it off and one by not, and we'll see if there's any difference. Side-by-side comparison. Peppers are all planted with the water on top. I'll come back later and put a little bit more water on these. I'm going to go ahead and fill up my water jug. I'm going to come back. I'm going to plant 2 zucchini plants, then we'll plant some marigolds in front of that. Let's see how this bed comes out. We have 2 zucchini to plant, and they're a little too big for my dibber. So right in the middle, these 2 peppers. Let's move some dirt over. love zucchini in the springtime. Chopped up, sauteed in olive oil with minced garlic, together with eggplant, is also just fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic meal. Goes great with a lot of different main dishes. And we'll water those in just a little bit on the top. And then I'm going to put the rest of the water here, and we are going to plant those marigolds. Bella has showed up to help us. I'm going to plant these marigolds about, I don't know, 6 inches apart, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And these go quick, right in the hole. Attract some pollinators into the garden. I also got today, because I'm new to South Texas 4 years, I got today a hummingbird feeder. It's great, solid glass bottle and a perch. We'll see. I'll have it set up this weekend. Let's see if we can see some hummingbirds this spring. There's Jolie. We're gonna put up with a lot of that, unfortunately. Hope you guys stick around for it. This is it. This is planting out this bed. I'll water everything in again. And like I said, this weekend we're going to put mulch on it. Thanks for sticking around to watch this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Jolie loves you for watching it as well. I'm not sure where Bella went, but she's around here somewhere. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up and please subscribe.